225 miles over the northwestern coast of Australia. Mike Barrett reporting, as did the shuttle crew a short time ago, that the initial leak checks on either side of their respective hatches were good. And so they're stepping now into the process of pressurizing the vestibule that is the short passageway in pressurized mating adapter number 2, which is the docking port at the forward end of Harmony. It will take some time to monitor any decay rate and the leak checks in that vestibule before the final green light is given to open up all of the hatches. In the meantime, the inside hatch on Harmony can be opened so that the crew can begin the process of the pressurization of the vestibule prior to the opening of the inside hatch, which would be matched with the opening of the hatch on the shuttle side of the docking interface. You can see at the top of your screen the Leonardo multi-purpose logistics module housed in Discovery's cargo bay. That, of course, will be grappled tomorrow by the station's robotic arm, Canadarm2, and removed from the payload bay and berthed on the nadir or earthward-facing docking port on the Harmony module to mark the arrival of Leonardo on the International Space Station for the opening of its hatch and the start of the transfer of 8 tons of cargo from the shuttle's cargo vessel to the International Space Station.
Discovery Air Ground 2 for the flight plan in Kevin's column.
Fergie, I'm just holding the bip smooth. You ready for Block Alpha?
We're all set.
Here we go. Houston Discovery, those ODS mate X1 and X2 switches are in the on position. Let us know when you're ready for a Bravo.
Okay, Kevin, thanks for checking with us. We see them on. You are go to turn them off, and then go to proceed to block Bravo. And when someone's available, we have an item entry for you on Spec 21 for those IMU messages.
Okay, Houston, Kevin is going to turn off ODS mate X1, X2, and then he's going to go and do block Bravo. And go ahead on Spec 21.
Okay, CJ, that is a good readback, and you've received that byte message a couple times. We're going to mask that with an item 24.
Here comes item 24 on Spec 21.